Why does your scanner show the P0662 engine code? What does it mean? P0662 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold tuning valve control circuit, high bank 1. This engine code indicates that this code signifies that the engine control module, ECM, is detecting a voltage reading from the IMTV circuit that is higher than what is expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty intake manifold tuning valve, wiring issues, malfunctioning engine control module, ECM. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Acura, and Ford models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.